Selamat datang everybody, welcome back again to my tiny kitchen. Today we're gonna make Pangsit Goreng from scratch. So, let's go. The things we need for this Pangsit Goreng are 20 grams of cornstarch, 180 grams of flour, 1 egg white, some salt, parsley, 4 cloves of garlic, spring onions, 100 grams of pork meat, 100 grams of shrimp, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of fish sauce, and some black pepper. First we're gonna make the dough for the pangsit. I'm gonna start by adding flour, the cornstarch, 1 egg white, and the salt, 6 tablespoons of water, but not all at once, step by step. Knead this into a shiny dough. Well, that takes about 10 minutes. We're gonna cut it in two, and now I'm gonna use my pasta machine. So when I've done one, I'm gonna fold it again double, because this is also a way to knead your dough. And in the meantime, you're making beautiful thin sheets. Now I'm changing the setting one step smaller. Now you see how translucent it gets, and this is the final setting on my pasta machine, and this is okay for pangsit also. I'm gonna eyeball it. They're handmade, so they don't have to be perfect. So when you've cut your sheets even sized, then leave it like this under some parchment paper. So I'm gonna make the filling now, and I'll start with cutting fine my shrimp. They're raw. Same goes for my pork meat. It's minced pork meat. I'm gonna add 4 cloves of garlic. My garlic is chopped, my minced pork meat is in, and my shrimp. So I'm gonna add some parsley, about 2 tablespoons, the spring onions, about 2 tablespoons, salty soy sauce, 1 tablespoon and half a tablespoon of fish sauce. We're gonna mix this together. Don't forget the black pepper, about a teaspoon. And this is your filling. Place your piece of dough like this on the countertop, add a teaspoon of filling, then wet the top corner, fold it into a triangle, make sure all the air is out, then wet this part and fold it over like this. Look at it, this is so sweet, beautiful pangsit. And when your pangsit is golden brown, take it out and it's done. Here we are, my Pangsit Goreng. You can make about 20 to 25 Pangsit Goreng out of this batch. Eat it with sweet ketchup sauce. Delicious. This is good food. Selamat makan.